In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your own resume on Wix. Building a standout resume is crucial in showcasing your skills and experience. And using Wix makes creating a personalized resume both simple and visually striking. Let's start by navigating to the Wix website. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the navigation bar. Here, you'll find various options, but what we want to look for is the Explore section. By clicking on this, you'll be directed to a page filled with inspiring website designs. Here's a little tip. Exploring different website designs can spark ideas that would allow you to tailor your own resume exactly the way you want it. But for the sake of simplicity, let's keep our focus on creating a resume. Now, within this section, you'll notice various categories and collections of websites that highlight unique designs. It might be tempting to explore these further, but let's zero in on getting started with your resume. Select a random video or prompt from this section. This will lead us closer to our objective. Now, find the link that says Explore Wix's Templates. Clicking on this link will take you to a segment dedicated solely to templates. Here, you'll find a plethora of professionally designed templates that you can utilize to start building your resume. Once you're on the templates page, the options may seem overwhelming. But don't worry, there's an efficient way to sort through them. Move over to the search bar and type in resume. This will quickly filter the templates to show only those designed for resumes and CVs, streamlining your selection process. Choosing the right template is key. Think about the impression you want to leave. Whether you're going for a sleek modern look or something more traditional, there's likely a template that fits. Once you've found a design that resonates with you, the next step is to click on Edit. This is where the fun begins. In the editing phase, you can modify the template to include your own personal information. Replace the placeholder text with your name, work experience, education, and any other pertinent details. You can also customize the images, colors, and fonts to make it uniquely yours. Wix's editor is quite user-friendly, offering drag-and-drop features that make adjustments simple and intuitive. As you continue to personalize your resume, remember to save your work regularly. This ensures that no progress is lost, and you can keep refining your document until it meets your satisfaction. Once you're happy with the finished product, Wix provides options to publish your resume online. Or you can choose to download it as a document ready to send to prospective employers. And there you have it. Creating a resume on Wix is straightforward and empowers you to design a document that truly reflects your personal brand. Thank you for watching, and I'm excited to see the stunning resumes you create.